Hi guys, it's Dahlia and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my iPhone 11. I'm really excited to show you guys this video, what I have in my phone, the apps that I use and all that good stuff. These videos are really fun to watch and they're so interesting. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Dahlia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. This is what my phone looks like. This is the iPhone 11. It's more of a pastel purple. This is a case I got at Best Buy, which is Kate Spade, but I will be getting one pretty soon at Best Buy. I did two sections, more organized and just keep apps like all in one pile. So how I organize my apps and all that good stuff. I'm gonna show my face, so the only thing that you will see is the screen of my phone. So let's just get started with the video. Start off with the first row. So on the top left corner I have my mail, which I receive like emails, and then here I have my calendar. I use my calendar a lot, guys. I like to check what's coming up. So let's see, for example, Monday's Memorial Day, and then on the 28th I have an appointment for Theodore at the doctor. He's getting his shots, so I like to set my calendar and all that good stuff. Then here I have my photos. I'm not gonna go over my photos. I do have a lot of pictures that I'm gonna get rid of. As you can see, I have 917, so I do need to get rid of a ton of pictures. And then I have my camera, and then here I have my maps. I use this a lot to find like stores, restaurants, and all that. Here I have my clock. I set my alarm at 6:30 a.m., which I never wake up at 6:30, but I am trying to wake up early so I can go out for a run and, you know, do a little exercise. But I normally wake up like at 7:30ish, 8, but yeah. And then here I have my calculator. I use my calculator a lot, mainly when I need to use it. And then the weather, I love checking the weather. Now it's 81 degrees, 1 p.m. It will start getting windy, but yeah, so I like checking the weather. So then here in news, but there's some interesting news. I love using my notes, guys. It's one of the best. I keep all my personal information, but when I need to write a note, Sunday, that's when we do like a really deep cleaning in our house. So I do like Sunday cleaning list and clean bathrooms, deep clean kitchen, and I just write a list what needs to be done on Sundays. You can also make it pretty, like you can do colors and you can be creative, so I really like using this a lot. So then the reminders, like you can schedule, like if you have an appointment with the doctor, or use this a lot for appointments, events, stuff like that. So yeah, stocks is there. I don't use it, so yeah, I don't need to check stocks. Apple TV, I don't use, is there, so I'm not going to delete it. It's part of the iPhone. Here I have books. I like reading books and all that, collections. You can download that good stuff. But I'm more of like an old school. I like to have like a physical book with me. But yeah, so there's like so many good books right now, guys. So here I have home. Yeah, I don't use this, so it's there. Here I have health, size, all that. Steps I did 1380, and then 763 steps a day. 31.4 calories. I do walk a lot, guys, so I like using that. I'll check my health and all that. So yeah, so then here you can check like your heart rate, your activities and all that good stuff. Stands hour, 2 hours, active energy, resting energy, exercise minutes, floor and workout. So just settings, nothing too. Here I check my emails from Gmail. Here education, I'm not in college. However, I do like to add these apps for you if you're one of those people who are in high school or in college, just to give you an idea. I did ask my friends what app she used. It's showing student. I'm not going to click it because obviously there's nothing there. Your grades, check if you submitted your homework and all that. Email your professors or your classmates or stuff like that. And then here is an email Outlook, which is not my emails, my friend. So she let me log in. You can check your notifications. Look, it shows here that she has 110 emails. It's like a Google Docs slide. So you can check your work, your presentations, and all that. So you can do like a book report. You can do like a PowerPoint and all that. Here is Mathway. Mathway, I do use this. Amazing, guys, because they have everything what you need. But yeah, so this is great. It's basic math. Here you have Quizlet. Quizlet is amazing, guys. I do recommend it for people that are in high school, college, or even elementary or middle school. If you have a test, you can study. This is Grammarly. I do use Grammarly sometimes. Essay, just like little grammar issues that needs to be done and all that. It kind of like helps you format it and kind of edit. I have my HP Smart. I do use this to print out documents through my phone. So obviously, if I'm in the kitchen or in a living room and I'm not nearby my room, I can just do it through my phone and just print it. So I go to view, just hit print, and you done. And then just click my printer and then it will print. Here I have my bank, which is my wallet. I like using my wallet, guys. My Bank of America, just to check transfer money, whatever I need to do with my app. So I have that. Then here in the bottom, I have iTunes stores, and this I have my iTunes, Apple Store, App Store, iTunes. I mainly use just like the App Store when I'm downloading stuff. Next page, I have shortcuts, which I don't really use shortcuts, so it's just there. Yeah. Here I have FaceTime. Podcast, I don't use podcasts, it's just there. Here's numbers. It's part of the Apple phone, so I don't really use this. So here I have pages. I did print out like documents. So since I have my HP printer, whatever I print out, like important documents, it prints and it saves here. Pages that I print out using my HP Smart Printer through my phone. Here I have Keynote, which I do not use at all, but it's there. So here I have Garageband. I don't use this either, but it's part of the iPhone. Here it says random themes, so I'm gonna click on that. And it has campus, tips, contacts, find my phone, measurement, clips, we hearted file. Here's voice memo, which you want to record. If you want to do like a voiceover, you can use that, guys. So if you're doing like a skincare, but you don't want to talk, you just want to do a voiceover, or when you're doing your makeup or anything like cooking, you can use that voice memo, guys. So it's really good. I use that sometimes. Third row on the left, I have my YouTube, look at videos and all that good stuff. But yeah, I like to look at people's videos, funny videos, and all that fun stuff. And then here I check my YouTube studio. And here I do use iMovie a lot, guys. When I'm recording with my phone, I do use iMovie through my laptop. It says social media, which is only social media. And here I have my and follow me. It's Dahlia Reyes. So go look for me, guys. I do post mainly a lot on Instagram. And then I like to look at people's posts. That bread looks good. Look at that cute doggy. I have Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat. I go on like maybe once in a while. Then I have Facebook. I do have Facebook for one, to contact my family. So TikTok, I really love watching like funny videos, mainly dogs and all that. So, and then here I have Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I like to get like inspirations, looking at bedroom ideas, clothing ideas, I don't know. And then I like to get like recipes from here, kind of learn how to cook and all that. So like this one's crock pot loaded baked potato soup. That looks so good. And then we got Mexican sweet buns, conchas. I like to get ideas, and it's really cool, guys. Here I have Twitter. I made a Twitter, but I haven't posted anything yet. So yeah, the next one will be like photos and videos. So I have Fonto. I do use a lot of Fonto, guys. I sometimes edit like my pictures. So if you're trying to find the right size for your thumbnail, it's 1280 and 720. So that's the actual size for a thumbnail. And InstaShot, sometimes I like to get music from there. Mainly like for my Instagram, I do like using InstaShot for videos when I'm doing makeup or stuff like that. Pink Monkey, I love Pink Monkey, guys. I actually create this background. I customize it. However, the background, I did got this in Pinterest, which is more like a marble, black and gray marble. It was like more like a crack screen, but I got that background from Pinterest, and then I just added letters. So basically on the top left corner it says keep going, so Theodore is giving me a motto like keep going. And I added like a little plant, so that's Theodore sticking out his tongue. And then in the middle it says need coffee, because every day I always need a cup of coffee. On the bottom it says never give up. So he basically, Theodore is giving me this mugshot saying don't give up on your dreams, make sure you accomplish them. So this whole background is my phone, so it took me like 30 minutes to create this. Then I have Color Story. I use this sometimes with Theodore, and I'm gonna go to filters and gonna hit hot, so it just makes it like lighter, you know, kind of like vintage style, like the photo. So I like how it looks right now because it's really bright green, it's natural lighting, so there's no need for me to edit this picture, but it's just there when it needs to be edited or something. Here I have music. I have my Pandora and Spotify. These are the only two apps that I use, but I really like Spotify because you can create your own playlist, and then you can like play your music that you like. And here I have my entertainment, which is I have Netflix, and I have Tubi. Tubi is free an app. You can watch movies. They have like really good classic movies that you guys can watch, so it's there, it's free if you guys want to check it out. There's Disney Plus, I have Hulu. I have my exercise watch. It's connected to my watch. So I use this app like to add apps, check my notification, change the background and all that. So, and even the lighting for my watch, I can make it brightness. I want it bigger, bold, and all that. So yeah, so with this app, I can actually control my Apple Watch and all that good stuff. And then here I check my activity, which is part of my watch. So today is Monday, have not done any activities whatsoever, but yesterday was Sunday. I did do a little walk and all that fun. I did exercise, move, stand 2 hours, which is steps. I did 2,299. So I really like using my watch. Last thing I have is my food in store. I have Petco. I normally order stuff here, and for Theodore, you can order stuff, you can set up an appointments, groomings, and all that. So rewards, so the more you spend. Here I have Ulta. I do shop a lot at Ulta, so yeah, so I like to see what they have, what's new, look what they have at Target. They usually have like sales, like right now they have 20% on rugs, 20% bedding and bath, which is only online. And then the Cartwheel, I like using their coupons. They always have good deals. Shop at Target, I suggest you to use their Cartwheel and just add it to your cart, discount it. Next I have McDonald's. I do get coffee McDonald's all the time, so I like using this app because they have so many good coupons. So like right now you earn a free coffee. Sometimes they have good coupons like 25% off chicken nuggets, $3 off, $1 off. A Happy Meal, you can get buy one get one free. So you really like using McDonald's. Here I have OfferUp. I like using it in case you want to sell something or you want to look at what they sell. It's great to sell and buy stuff. I have Cox, which I make my payments. ThreadUp, which is a store that one of my friends recommend me, but they sell like used and brand new stuff, like used clothes. 5 items, you take a 20% off. 10 items, you take 30%. If you buy 20 items, you get 40%. It's really cool, guys. I do recommend this app. They have like Express, Forever 21, and Taylor. Click on here. They have Plus, Maternity, Junior style. So yeah, I have Starbucks. I love using that to get like points, rewards, and all that. And then Grubhub, I do use this when I'm working the Grubhub and kind of order my food, or Uber Eats. I don't know what happened. I did have the Uber Eats here too. I used the Uber Eats mainly, but this one you also get like rewards, like with 10% cash back and free delivery. So I like using that a lot when I'm like at home, we want to order something big. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.